In this lesson, you're going to learn how to create a Facebook fan page. For you to be able to create Facebook ads, Facebook requires you to have a fan page. So if you want to know the dimensions that are required to create the necessary dimensions of the cover photo and the profile picture, you simply need to go to this URL www.facebook.com/page sizes dimensions /hyphen/. If you look at the cover photo, the height of it is 315 pixels and the width is 851 pixels. And for the cover photo, it is 160 pixels in height and 160 pixels in width. Or you simply upload a 720 pixel or 960 pixel on each side so that it can be a square. There are several places where you can go and to get your cover photo and also to get your profile photo done. The first free resource place that you can go and get your cover photo and profile photo for your Facebook fan page is www.canva.com. You can either log in using a Facebook account, Google account, or simply you can register using your email and password. The other place where you can get good free Creative Commons profile cover photos is www.pexels.com, and the other is unsplash.com. Both pexels.com and unsplash.com are free to use. So let us go and create a Facebook fan page. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. And once you're on your Facebook account, you simply need to click on the downwards arrow. Then click Create Page. Facebook is going to ask you several options, whether you want to create a business or brand, a community or public figure. If you simply have a business or you have a brand or physical product that you sell either on Shopify or Amazon, you simply need to click on this option, Get Started. But if you are for a cause, like you are creating a dog community, or you are a public figure like a musician, you simply need to hit the second option. But if basically you are running a business, you just select the first option. Facebook is going to ask you what should be the name of your page. And because in this course you are going to be creating an example for dogs, we are going to create a page for dogs. So we simply need to put Dogs Haven. Then Facebook will ask you to define whatever category it should classify your business or brand. But because you're simply a brand, just put then click Continue. Facebook will ask you to add your profile picture. The profile picture is the one which we found in the first tab. It should be 720 pixels, 960 pixels on both ends so that it can be a square, or 160 pixels by 160 pixels on height and the width. So if you want to create the perfect profile photo, what you can simply do is go to pexels.com, search for images for dog. Then once we find the necessary dog image, we can click on it. Then Pexels will ask us to define a custom dimension. We can either download the whole of it or create a custom size. But since Facebook wants us to create a custom size, what we are going to do is create something which is 720 pixels by 720 pixels, so that it can be a square profile photo. Then click download. In a minute, the image is going to be downloaded to your computer, and it's completely free to use. Once the image has been downloaded to your computer, you simply need to open it in your computer. And you'll simply say that the image has been downloaded to your computer. So this image we are going to need to upload to our Facebook, and this is going to be our profile photo. So the first thing you need to do is go back to Facebook and click upload a profile picture. Select the image and click upload. Then Facebook is going to ask you to upload a cover photo. We simply need to go back to our reference point, which is www.facebook.com/page sizes dimensions /. And Facebook will tell us we need to upload a cover photo which is 851 pixels in width by 315 pixels in height. So we simply need to go back to pexels.com or splash.com, do another search for dogs, which you have already done, find a different image of dogs, select the first option, click on this down arrow so that you can create a custom dimension. Facebook told us that we need 851 pixels in width by 315. So I put 851 by 315. Then click download. Once the image has been downloaded to your computer, go back to Facebook, click upload a cover photo. Select the uploaded picture. We seem to have done an error, so we need to go back and edit it again. it should have been, the dimensions should have been 315 by 850. Confirm again. 315 by 851. Click download. Once the image has been downloaded, go back to Facebook, click upload a cover photo. Let's just choose the first option because it seems to be cutting whatever dimensions Facebook needs. So we'll just use this one for the time being. We'll just wait for a minute so that Facebook can populate our Facebook fan page. It seems Facebook seems to be taking a while to upload the image. So what you're going to do is go back to our part2 and let's just upload let's just download the original one. Let's see what will happen. Click upload photo and video. Let's upload the original one. Let's wait for Facebook to upload the image. So you can click and drag the image so that the dog's faces can be seen clearly on your page. So as we have seen in this example, this is how you need to set up your fan page. As we were uploading our cover photo, we found out that 800 by 851 by 315 crops the image, and when we put 315 by 851, only one dog was showing. So sometimes if Facebook is finicky about the dimensions, just simply download the original image from pexels.com or unsplash.com and then just drag to reposition the image correctly, then click save. So one thing that you should note from the reference point that you're taking the dimensions from is sometimes those figures might be outdated. But in this lesson, you have clearly seen how we handle that shortfall, and then you have successfully uploaded our cover photo and the profile picture. Other important things that you need to know about your page are things that you need to add some description and a username for your page. But this for now is sufficient for you to run a Facebook ad. Remember, when you run Facebook ads, you need to create an interest-based fan page. Let's say I wanted to sell dog products. Obviously, I will not put a cover photo of boats here or a cover photo of fishing rods here if I was running ads to sell things about dogs to my customers. So all of your fan pages need to be congruent with whatever message or advertisement that you're running. This is a step that you cannot avoid to miss, because Facebook will not allow you to run a Facebook ad without creating a fan page. If there's something which you have not understood in this lesson, simply go back and rewatch the video again. See you in the next lesson.